Morning, everyone. Welcome to another Reflections 23 today. This is all about DNA and chromosomal telomere repair. This is a combination of a body geometry, violet flame decree, and of course, the imagery that goes with it, the sacred geometry. So what I want you to do is kind of straighten your back. I want you to take a look at the image that I put on the screen, and then I'm going ahead and read the violet flame decree, at which point I'll show you the body geometry. This one is super cool. I've used this one a number of times in the past, and the energetic changes that happen within the body are pretty mind-blowing. And again, the body geometries coupled with the violet flame decree, coupled with the sacred geometry, is just a whole nother level on the original body geometries that I did. There was 105, this is 23, so I'm still working through them. It's going to take me a little while. But if you like these, I kind of get energized on comments that you leave. If you want to see more of these, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. There's many, many more of these coming in the coming weeks when I get to them. Okay, take a look at the sacred geometry, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to read the violet flame decree. Just get in your place of power, relax, and just listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth. Violet flame decree for DNA and telomere repair. In the name of the I am that I am, I call upon the sacred violet flame, blazing bright with divine intent to cleanse, transmute, and now augment. Violet fire, blaze high, heal my cells as you pass by. DNA strands now refine, align them with the source divine. Telomeres strong, telomeres bright, extend with love, restore with light. Sacred fire in every cell, rewrite my code, renew me well. By Saint Germain and angels near, I claim my health, release all fear. Perfection's blueprint now restored, immortal essence, soul outpoured. I am the light, I am the fire, healing power of God's own name. I am divine, whole, and free, ever youthful, so it shall be. Violet flame, seal this prayer in golden radiance, bright and fair. By cosmic law, it is decreed. As I speak, so it shall be, and so it is. My head's going, bzzz. You can feel this one just go down as I was reading it. It's pretty cool. So now we're going to do the body geometry, which activates all of this and just supercharges it. So with your back straight, elbows down, palms facing out, what we want to do is bring our hands together. We're going to make the classic V. At this point, this spiraling vortex of energy is instantly manifest in front of us. And what we want to do is just breathe in that source energy 3 times deeply through your mouth, exhaling through your nose. As we breathe in, we're breathing in that white, beautiful, radiant light. As we're exhaling, we're releasing the junk that needs to go. From here, you're going to fold your hands together. We're going to slip our hands like this and just create this. This is the body geometry. DNA and telomere, chromosomal telomere repair. From here, just going to breathe through your mouth, breathing through the body geometry, exhaling through your nose. And just feel every soul in your fire, in your body on fire, communicating more effectively through light. You do this one 2, 3 times a day. Give a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know how you like them. Have a beautiful day, folks.